Hey guys, I'm just going to show you guys my babies today. I'm gonna put some bands on their legs. I just have some split bands here that are a different color, so if the camera will focus in on this. So each band has a number on it, so I have 1 through 3 for red, and then for my single chick I have an orange or a green band that has 1 on it. So we're gonna grab them and show you guys how I band them real quick and go from there. You guys see the cute little chicks in there? Still have all 3 of them. We're gonna grab them right here and take a good look at them. These guys are looking good, nice and healthy, getting some good weight on them, getting some good color on them as well. So I haven't been color feeding at all, but I've been giving them quite a bit of carrots and stuff, and you can see some of that's coming through. There's a little bit of orange tint on them. So let's get these bands on them real quick. So all 3 of these chicks were hatched on the same day. So as far as numbering them 1 through 3, I'm not too worried about it because they're all the same age. So we'll grab the chick like that and slip the band on. Like so. And there you go. Second chick. You know, and it's a good thing to, when you have them, just do a quick overview of them. Make sure they don't have any feathers that are looking bad. They're underneath are looking good. Toes are looking good. No deformed toes or toenails missing or anything like that. They're looking pretty good. So. So for the band, I just have this little aluminum tool. Band slides on and it opens up the middle and you put the leg in between. There we go, like so. Grab the last chicken here. These guys are looking really good. The parents are doing a great job at feeding them. Come here, buddy. Come here. Left a little present on me. Throw the band on real quick. Get his leg. Slide it in. And there you go. So 3 chicks out of this nest. All 3 of them are banded. Nice and dirty. There we go, put this one in.